I've opened up the render settings scene again, but this time we won't look at the render settings. I just quickly want to show you guys a way in which you can output the different light contributions from the separate lights into different AOVs. It's pretty handy to have this control whilst compositing. So on the light itself, let's go over here into the AOV light group. Right now it's called default, which, well, there's a default value, and it's useful that it has a default value. So that way you can say, okay, I'm giving these two lights a separate AOV and then all of the other ones, and then you can use the default value. So for example, in the left light, let's just keep it simple and name it left. And we're going to do the same for right and the same for the top light. There we go. That's all we need to do in the light. Then we go to the render settings, and over here we can add a custom AOV. I will call this one RGBA underscore left. And let's add another one, RGBA underscore right. And RGBA underscore top. And now when we update the full scene, we should be able to see the different light contributions from the separate lights. It can get a whole lot more complex than this, because right now we have all the contribution from the separate lights. So you can also split this up into the diffuse component, the emission, just any light scattering event through the use of light path expressions. This is a bit too complex to go into this in this introduction course, but if you do want to figure this out, the documentation has pretty good examples about this. But this is the very basics of the light groups.